Ross, that's Jamie from Tait Real Estate, and welcome to Thirsty Thursday. Jamie, what have we got on for today?
Today we're making the Gin Sling.
Gin Sling.
Gin Sling.
Okay.
Pretty easy, refreshing cocktail.
Okay.
So take 1.5 ounces gin into your shaker that has some ice in there.
1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
We're gonna do 1 ounce of the Sweet Vermouth.
Okay. Also, Vermouth. Okay. 1 ounce, you said?
1 ounce, yeah.
1 ounce, okay.
After that, you're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
1 ounce of simple syrup. It might be a little sweet, but, and then 1 dash of Angostura Bitters.
Okay.
So on your glass, get a Collins glass, fill it a bit with ice. We're gonna shake this up.
Okay. Cold outside, so we decided to go with kind of a refreshing sort of summery drink.
So strain about quite a bit, but we're gonna top it off with some.
Gonna go over half.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Okay. And we're gonna top that with soda water.
Top it off with club soda, yeah. Give it a little stir.
And is that a stir?
Yeah. That's what I got.
That's very summery.
Yeah, looks very similar.
Just a minute, Jamie. Hang on now. Trying to get her all incorporated.
A lot of stirring.
Right, the Gin Sling.
Gin Sling. Cheers. Ooh, that's pretty good.
That's quite refreshing.
Yep.
It is actually good. I like that. It would be better if it had a little umbrella in it.
That, you could have a few of those. Those are good. Yeah.
The Gin Sling. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.